Hello everyone, my name is Coach Jory and I would like to say thank you so much to my coach, Dr. June Acevedo, for helping me gain clarity on my goals and achieve them one by one with the right tools and techniques from the Mind Unlock NLP Practitioner Program. I joined the NLP Practitioner Program just this June this year, 5 months ago. And if you ask me why I joined the NLP, because I want a fast and transformational result. I know I needed to change the way I think, react, and how to deeply understand other people and, of course, myself as well. I knew that NLP has the tools and techniques to rewire and reshape our mental patterns. I, for a long time, carried this limiting belief about money that blocks my way to success. I tried so many things, Reiki, Theta Healing, to release that energy blockage, attending events, reading a lot of self-help books. But those taught me how to improve and be aware. But how to truly transform and to work on the subconscious mind, that's where I needed the NLP. You know what? I am so excited to share with you guys. I gained 10 times more than what I invested in the Mind Unlock NLP program. Just a month after I joined, I applied the tools and techniques that what I have learned in the program, and I got my third salary increment in a year. I was so surprised and I didn't expect and ask for it. I just took the action and applied the tools that I learned. And another thing, after 3 months of the program, I hit my target goal that have gained me huge money from my investment. And all of this, I wanted to say thank you to Coach Dr. June Acevedo for helping me, change me, transform me. And you know what? I now see my future as secure simply because I learned to take control of my mind and understand that all humans are the same. The only difference is our mindset. Thank you so much again, Coach. I truly hope you continue to help millions of Filipino people, not only Filipino, all over the world.